Yes, friends, let's try to look at how we can create page borders like the one you're seeing right here. Okay, onto our uh, computer, we can as well go and start it here straight onto uh, our start menu. Then this is window 10. Into other programs, you may have just to go to all programs like XP and other programs, but here we are using window 10. You just go to all apps. When you reach all apps, then you will be able to scroll down and look for Microsoft Office Suite. This is what we call a Microsoft Office Suite that is embedded with a lot of programs including Microsoft Office Word. We are using an older version for simplicity, and it's very easy for beginners. Now, having opened our page, we can go straight into creating borders to our page. Onto home menu button, you click, and then like here you click on home menu button, then you come, leave alone all these other tools, come onto borders. When you come onto borders, when you reach on when you reach onto borders, you may apply borders onto your document, but still we need to have some information into our document, so we can come and copy this information. We would have typed hours there, but due to time we can just copy, then we say we paste it there. So we can as well continue now to add border on this document, on this information here. So you go to the border palette, you can apply borders on top of your uh, information or document like this. You have to first select. If you don't select it, it will not be applied. So you can apply borders on the top. You can see we have put a line. Still you can select by clicking or by choosing Ctrl A onto your keyboard. Still you can apply borders onto the left hand side. You can as well apply borders onto your left hand. So we see we have got borders on different edges of our document. Still, we're done with that. You can as well go and apply. Those are document borders, but we want to apply a page border. Where do you get a page border? Onto this drop down menu, go to borders and shading. When you have reached borders and shading, you will be prompted with the dialog box borders and shading. Here you have borders, but what we have done is a document border, but we want to apply a page border. When you have reached on page border, then we shall be prompted with style of which lines do you preferably want. You may choose from the menu, then you say okay, and you say so our page border is now applied. You can see we can as well go back and add some color onto our page border. You can apply some color onto our page border. Yeah, this is our page border. We have chosen style. We can as well change the style, or we can move more for 3D, those with high definition. You can as well pick this. Then we apply color. We can as well apply here color. You can choose any color of your choice. Then you say okay. So you see our document is colored with a border. Then we can as well continue on this border palette. Then we go to borders and shading. When you have reached borders and shading, we can as well go on to creating page borders. Then you choose art down here. Here you can see art. You click, then you'll be prompted with a lot of art, that you can choose on. Then you can say, or after that, make sure that here it reads apply to Word document. You may as well apply to this section alone, or first page only, or all accepted first page and you leave the first page, but we want to apply it to the whole document, then we say OK. When you say OK, you see your page border is now applied. You can continue to do the same. You go to page borders. When you have reached page borders, you can as well keep applying maybe whatever you may feel like. You might go as well to art and keep changing the art according to what you can. What could be the choice? What could be your choice? And then you say OK. Briefly, that could be the simple processes of creating page borders. Thank you.